Welcome back to the channel, my friends. On today's video, we're going to talk about some undercoating and some rust prevention. Now, on this particular Land Rover, I'll wash this thing every season underneath. I coat everything usually with any type of undercoating. I've tried 3M, pretty much every brand that's out there, but every year when I look at it, the coating just seems to come off and the rust seems to just keep growing. So this year we're going to do something different. So the first thing we're going to do, I have my pressure washer out here. We're going to take some degreaser, spray everything underneath, and we're going to pressure wash everything. Get all the dirt, grime, grease, everything off of this. So let's go ahead and get that done. So I was able to pressure wash the complete underneath of this vehicle, and you can see all the rust and scaling and dirt that came off of it, and that's exactly what you want. You want all that scaling to come off. You can also take a wire brush and get most of that off that you can. Good idea. Now, unfortunately, depending on your weather, we are going to have to wait for it to dry up. That might take a day or two, again, depending on the weather. So we'll let this dry up before we shoot any undercoating. We're actually going to use this fairly new product. It's been out for a couple, 2-3 years. By Blaster. It's called Surface Shield. It's kind of like wax. If you have used product like fluid film, wool wax, this is similar, but it's supposed to be better. They do advertise that this lasts up to 2 years. So we're going to try this product and see how it seems to work. It is lanolin based. Again, just like fluid film and some of the other products out there. But this is supposed to be better. Truck's all dried up, ready to be shot with some undercoating. Here we have the Surface Shield from Blaster. Let's see how this sprays out. Now it's nice to have this little nozzle or this little spray hose. They do make an adapter for this to reach in other crevices, but you want to make sure you're spraying everything. You want to get in all the holes and spray that. Kind of comes out like wax. Goes on nice. So I have this other side sprayed here. We'll get underneath and get all done. Of course, I'm painting the brakes at the same time. So I was able to spray the whole underneath of the vehicle, all the suspension parts. Now this isn't a full frame truck, so I didn't have to do the frame, but there's cradles, everything metal underneath. I was able to coat. This stuff does go a long way. It took me about a total of 4 cans of these to coat the whole vehicle underneath, and I was pretty generous coating everything. And it looks pretty good. So we'll keep up on this. I'll do an updated video in a few months and see how this stuff will last, especially through the winter. I like to see how it's going to do through the winter. But it seems to be pretty good. Now, a lot of people complain that these cans, they tend to plug up after a while. I've used 4 of them. I did not have a problem with any of them at all. I was able to use the full product out of a can. No issues whatsoever. So I was able to coat pretty much everywhere. Full front suspension. Rear. We'll do an update on it in a few months and see how things are looking. I will leave a link for this product in the description for you. Thank you for watching.